Hello. Got another seat post stuck in a frame. This time it's a Claude Butler. It's an alloy frame, alloy seat post. Just mounted it on the jig. We've got it all set up, clamps on, bars through the bottom bracket there. It's all ready to go. We've got some movement. This one hasn't gone off with a bang, but just pulling down on the lever here. You see the line I've made here. Let's get this cruddy phone to focus. Oh, there we go. Slowly. It's coming out. So for the people who haven't seen my other seat post removal videos, took the bottom bracket out. The bottom bracket now has a bar going through it with some protective cups, so the threads are all protected. We've got some shaft clamps around the seat post. I like to clamp them on top because where the insert here goes in on this particular post, it's got something inside the tube so it doesn't crush as much. So we've got a firm hold on the shaft clamps there. As I'm pumping the jack here, it's pushing this bar up. These two rods are going up, which is bringing this plate here up. So frame support at the bottom, so we're basically giving it that action. And it's a 5-ton jack. I have got a 10. I've never used the 10. The 5 is definitely enough. And as we're pumping, it's then drawing the post out here. It's still quite difficult, this one. I don't know if it's corroded at the bottom. We will find out. But we're running out of range on the jack here, so hopefully it comes out soon. If not, I might have to sort out some sort of spacer in here. Let's try and get this out. Just let the jack down a little bit. Put that on the side. No. Still can't move that. Let me just try with a pair of mole grips, pipe grips, whatever you want to call them. I can just about move it. It's getting easier. Let me put a cheeky foot down there. God, this is so tight. Sometimes twisting it, it feels like it's coming out, but all you're doing is just making it easier, almost like kind of corkscrew or threading it. But this one is coming up. I've soaked this in plus gas. There we go. Just moved over to my metal bench to just have a look at the corrosion. You can kind of see all the white corrosion on this post here. You can kind of see it coming off there. I've seen a lot worse, but this one was definitely on its way to being seriously stuck in there. I think it's just about okay the way that came out. But I think I'll put the customer a new post in. This one's got it's going to have quite a lot of damage here where the shaft clamps have crushed into the post basically and nipped it. The customer's also had to go with some kind of water pump pliers, and then I obviously had to as well on there. So we'll treat him to a new post, maybe myself some new gloves as well. I think they're about £20 for a cheap, cheerful kind of new post, just to make sure it's safe. I'd hate for this to snap if we reinstall it. So we'll now clean up the seat tube. Right, so we'll now release this from the jig. Just undoing the nut that holds the bottom bracket in place. Slides out. just take the cups out of the bottom bracket. These are just really cheap, cheerful steel, basic bottom bracket cups. Don't need anything fancy. The oil, which we're lubricating the cut with. We're now just going to ream down the tube just to clean off any horrible corrosion which is in the tube. We're basically skimming the inside of the tube out. Usually you get a bit of tight spot as well sometimes where the corrosion is. So clean that out. Spray some more lubricant down there. Looks after my cutting blades. Makes the cut a bit nicer. There we go. Feels a lot nicer coming out. Let's see what debris is on the blades. So I've got quite a bit of metal swarf and corrosion. Hopefully you can see that. It's just taking off the nasty face. Give that a blowout. Have a little peek down there. It's looking lovely. I don't think this will pick it up, but we will try. Should have done it before and after. Probably can't really see that, but hang on. Let me do that. You can now see it's kind of silver